I started uploading videos consistently to YouTube back in 2021, and back then I was just doing one video a month, one cinematic bikepacking adventure film. The goal for this channel is and always will be to inspire you to go out on your bike and explore the world and make lasting memories. Believe it or not, this is my 100th video that I've put onto YouTube, which is crazy. I've been uploading now for over 3 years regularly, and now I've reached my 100th video milestone. I decided to take a step back and think about what sort of content I want to be doing going forward. These cinematic bikepacking adventure films are really expensive to make, especially now I'm bringing them out 2 times a month, so 24 films in a year can get quite expensive. They do also take a lot of time to edit. Although the YouTube ad revenue is really nice to have, it varies massively and it's not as lucrative as you might think. I've subsequently been uploading more and more to YouTube, trying to grow the channel quicker. I've been uploading bikepacking Q&A videos now for a couple of years, every single month. And as well as that, more recently, I've been doing bikepacking gear review videos. It is, however, on these bikepacking gear review videos where I've started to get people query and leave comments questioning my authenticity on the reviews. So that's what I'm going to address here today. Now that the YouTube channel is into the 5-figure subscribers and growing, it's naturally meant that brands, businesses have been reaching out to me, wanting me to showcase their products, and I'm more than happy to do this, but it has to be done properly. At the moment, nearly all the brands that I work with are brands that I've reached out to personally because I like their products or I like what they stand for. However, going forward, if brands contact me, I will still be open to doing collaborations as long as I can do things my way. I never want to be told what I can and cannot say, and I have to be able to be honest. I'm still going to be bringing out the cinematic bikepacking adventure films every month, as well as the Q&A videos. But I just wanted to let you all know this is how I'm going to be doing the gear review videos going forward, so there's total transparency. You need to declare if you've been given money or products in exchange for a video review, and I always do that. If you check out some of my gear review videos where I've been given money or products, you can see up there in the top left-hand corner of the screen it says includes paid promotion. So I will always do that, so that way you know if I have been given money or a product. I'm under no obligation to say positive things about products from companies that I don't think are good. You might be thinking, well, if I said something bad about them, they won't ever send products to me again. I can live with that, but I can't live with losing my integrity and my audience's trust. So, can you trust me? I hope so. It's just me running this channel, and I spend a lot of time and energy trying to make the best videos possible. I want this channel to keep growing, so I am going to be working with businesses and brands going forward. I just wanted to let you all know that I'm going to be 100% transparent and just let you in on how I'm going to be running things going forward. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.